How to fix Android internet browser keeps opening automatically. So it's quite frustrating when your device keeps opening random websites. So in order to fix this Samsung or any Android internet browser keeps opening automatically issue, then do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So disabling pop-ups is the most effective way to prevent the Android internet browser from opening itself. For that, open the preferred browser on your device and select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select the settings option and then you have to scroll down and select notifications. Make sure you toggle off the button to allow notifications. Once done, you'll easily block pop-ups on your browsers. Or else, if you don't find the option there, you can also go to privacy and security. And on this page also, you might find the option to block different kinds of pop-ups. So, once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not, try doing the another step. So the existing cookies and site data stored by browser app may affect its performance. You can clear cookies and site data from the browser app. So let's open it again and then go to the same page and then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Select the settings page and then visit the privacy and security option. On this page, under privacy select delete browsing data and then you need to check mark the option to cookies and site data and then select delete data button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, your issue had been fixed or will be fixed. But not, then you need to clear the app cache. For that, let's select the of settings of Android and then select apps. Go to App Management page and search for Chrome browser. Open it. Now this app info page, select the storage users and clear the cache of Chrome. Last but not the least, it is also possible that your phone is compromised and filled with malware. Use the device protection features to clean search or be free from search situations. For that, go ahead and open the Chrome browser and then go to settings again. On this page, you have to select the option of privacy and security and then select safe browsing. Make sure the enhanced protection is turned on and then the other step is use secure DNS. You need to simply toggle on the button and choose another provider. On this arrow, you need to select clean browsing family filter and once done, your Samsung Internet browser or Android Internet browser keeps opening automatically will be fixed within few or certain time. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.